Shakukhona bafethu, so long sasingoJanuwari ishishini lizoloke liqhubekile nje yabo. Speaking of ishishini, Orlando Pirates and Makers FC have done some business, and that business includes the Orlando Pirates striker Usifiso Luthuli, who set a tone last month when he scored his first goal for Orlando Pirates. He has now in fact joined iMakers FC on a 6 months loan. Yena kanye nozakwabo uSiyabonga Dlozi, the Orlando Pirates right back odlale umdlalo wakhe wokuqala idebut leyo ngokutsho versus i-Al Ahly kule season le egqithile eCairo yabo. That's not just any other game yabo, umdlalo omkhulu lowo. That's where uSiyabonga Dlozi made i-debut yakhe. So what I'm trying to say is that aba badlali aba experienced, abadlali aba who have a mindset, they have what it takes to be competitive in a short-term basis yabo. I mean, you look at uSifiso Luthuli on loan at iPelepele FC, kwi-ABC Motsepe League nakwi-Casric Stars kwi-Motsepe Foundation Championship. So nangoku bazophumelela.